Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you, how to remove someone from restricted list on Facebook. Go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side, then click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. Here you want to go ahead and type in blocking in the search here. And you want to open up your blocking settings here. Here you are able to manage all of your blocking. So click on restricted list, edit. Then click on see your restricted list. Then click and remove the person. So you can either search for the person if you have multiple people here that you want to search for, or if you just have a handful of people and you can see all of them, choose the one that you want to remove, click remove, and that's it. You know the person will now be removed and you can see that it's done on the lower left hand side of your screen. Once you see this pop up here at the bottom left that shows that it's done, you can close the window and you can know that it's now removed. And you can even refresh the page as well. Go back into your restricted and click on see and you will realize that the person is removed. And that's it.